The Bison Fund is a student-managed investment group at North Dakota State University. We manage an endowment and invest that in small to mid-cap equities. Of course, we have an advisory board that we report to that helps the students manage these funds, but the day-to-day operations and pitches are all run by students. And this is something that's very unique because they're learning very deep dive technical due diligence of these companies and how to research them. The Bison Fund is really helpful in developing students, especially when it comes to the technical and networking skills that are really required of today's industry. For students passionate about going into finance, we teach students how to think and not so much just the technical due diligence and textbooks. The Bison Fund provides an opportunity for all students from all different disciplines to learn more about investing. We view this as a fundamental skill for students to be learning and think that this is going to provide a competitive advantage for them when they go into industry.